It's just a fancy old-fashioned. And this is gonna be our holiday cranberry old-fashioned. One of the things that we're gonna be doing different with this old-fashioned is we'll be using rum. I love rum. I love old-fashions. Hence, I love rum old-fashions. It gives your old-fashions a completely different flavor when you're using rum. Specifically, let me say this, a nice aged rum. I would say from what I have here in my bar, my favorite rum to do an old-fashioned with is the Louisiana Rum Society Barrel Pick. This is a aged cane juice rum that was aged in bourbon barrels. So it's got some of those bourbon notes on it that you would expect to find, like some caramel, some maybe brown sugar, so a little bit of oak on it. But being cane juice, it's got a little bit of that grassiness, earthiness that I really love cane juice and agricole style rums. If you're not here in South Louisiana or the Baton Rouge area or New Orleans area, it's gonna be really hard for you to get this. But I would say use any aged cane juice rum. There's a lot of them out there. I think this goes great. These flavors go great with the aged cane juice. Now you can use a different rum if you want. Hell, you can use a whiskey, you can use a bourbon, you can use a rye. Use your favorite spirits for your old fashioned. But I would highly recommend you try this with an aged cane juice agricole style rum. So enough jibber jabber, let's make a drink. So we're gonna start off in our mixing glass. We're gonna be adding 2 ounces of our aged cane juice rum. 2 and a skosh. Yeah, I was slightly under my 2 ounce mark. So here. Now an old fashioned, what that is, it is a spirit, bitters, and a sweetener. That's it. It's not hard to make an old fashioned. It's really easy to screw one up, but it's not hard to make them. So from here, we're gonna add some bitters. My favorite flavors in holiday time, Christmas, holiday, winter, is orange and cranberry combined. My favorite flavors. So we're gonna go with 2 dashes of Angostura orange bitters. And we're gonna go 2 dashes of Fee Brothers cranberry bitters. And for our sweetener, we're gonna be adding a little bit of cranberry syrup, not much. I mentioned the cranberry syrup in my mistletoe margarita video. Hey, and if you'd like to see how I made this, go ahead and leave a comment below. I was debating whether I was gonna make a video on showing you how to make fruit syrups and things like that and get accurate carb counts on them yourself. So we're doing a bar spoon, not much, like I said, a bar spoon of cranberry syrup. I'm gonna add some ice to this and give it a stir. And yes, we're throwing ice on a bar. That is a staple around here if you haven't caught that on some of my past videos. Now in an old-fashioned glass, we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves an ice sphere. I've been letting this sit and temper a little bit. Nice ice sphere. We're gonna strain this into our glass. And garnish that with an orange peel. Express those oils over the top of it. Give it a nice little twisty twist. And drop that in. And there you have your cranberry old fashioned. Let's go in. Cheers. Oh, God, right? Oh, wow, right away. And I mentioned this in my other videos. That garnish is there to enhance your drink. Especially if you're doing a lemon twist or an orange twist or a lime twist, some type of citrus twist where you express the oils over the top of it. Because on top of that, now that those oils are broken on the skin, that you really get that aroma on your nose. So as you're drinking, and I'm not sure if you know this or not, but a lot of your taste comes from your nose. So when you're tasting stuff, it's mostly because you're smelling it too. You ever had, like when you were a kid, you gotta hold your breath when you take your medicine. I don't like that. I don't want to take that medicine. So you pinch it down and you take the medicine and you don't taste it. It's because your nose helps you taste. And when you have nice garnishes with like expressed orange oils and you have that orange peel right in your nose as you're tasting it. Man. Yes, that is so freaking good. That is so freaking good. Now, I really think that using your favorite spirit will work for these flavors. Bourbon works with orange amazingly, and it's good with cranberry. I've done this in the past, did an old video years and years and years and years ago using bourbon, and it was good. But since then, I found my love of rum, aged rums, agricole style cane juice rums, and then when you take an agricole style rum, then you put it in a barrel. Man, you got some good shit. So, if you're in the Baton Rouge area, specifically in Gonzales, Louisiana, stop by Sugarfield Spirits. They do have some of our barrel pick, because I say our, I do work with the Rum Society of Louisiana. They do have a few of our bottles left, so if you're in the Baton Rouge, New Orleans, Gonzales area, stop by Sugarfields. See if Thomas is there. He's the owner. Ask him to take a peek in the back. He may let you go back there and show you a few things. And make sure you pick up a bottle of our barrel pick. Jesus, so good. It's a great rum. So guys, that's it for this video with the Cranberry Old Fashioned. Y'all have a great day, because I'm going to finish this one. Of course, I'm having a great day too. See you later.